I no longer feel it's all like a dream. I thought she was mine, but oh no, it was a leap into the Nile. Bloody disguise, I cannot compromise, but alas, she was chaste. A mixtape of a shape I cannot fathom. I flashed down my thoughts. I knew not what to portray anymore. It stinks, having the mere thought of not seeing another day and experiencing what Mother Nature has to offer. I sit by the window, asking when this doomsday will end. With every scatter, they gunned us down. None knew the streetlights sold us off. Letting bygones be bygones would not deter our pain. Every thought of that drove me insane. Many were turned to fuel in a matter of seconds. No dry spot was left as was before. Every moment I closed my eyes, I could see them soaked in blood as their lifeless bodies lay strewn on the ground. I grew bitter as the days went by. They had snatched those we cherished. She sat there staring at me. Was I worth her love? I could not go near and tell her what I felt inside. The pandemic will tear me apart. I simply walked away, leaving the unsolved queries lingering in the atmosphere, filled with the virus that will slay even a newborn. It was the darkness of ages we were never ready for. All hope was gone. Will we ever see the light of day again? Strokes hit hard on the poor souls. They cried amidst the unbearable pain, breaking the pin drop silence. Now they are gone, buried 6 feet under. It was a walk of a lifetime. We did not know what lay ahead, but we proceeded into the streets where gunmen were believed to roam, snatching the innocence that girls had so much protected. It was a dare which I took by its horns. Being the alpha, I led the pack, but fear was written all over my face. Everyone was dancing to the rhythm, not bearing in mind it will be the last of them. They surrounded us and I only managed to escape to narrate this bloodthirsty ordeal. I wish they could live to tell more of that night that snatched the innocent, leaving the dreadful at par with us. Sweat is all over me, thinking of how strong I was then, but not now, not anymore. I arose a spirited struggle, not knowing the consequences therein. How could I turn down such an offer, so sweet at first, but now a menace, a conjugation I cannot fathom. There's none to listen to what I have to say. Why? I proved hard-headed then, not thinking straight of what was to be, engraved ruthlessly with none to erase the shame bestowed upon my family. Warning after warning, but I still persisted with no motive in particular, just for fame. It's now clear, no wrong goes unpunished. The flame was set 5 times hotter. The fiery blaze was fierce, threatening to break off and devour. I could not hold back the tears that welled up in my eyes at the rate of an outpour, battling down its banks to no avail. It was like a tale, a mystery I could not solve. Why me? Why now? It snatched all I thought was mine, not even a towel to soak my misery. I was scared of what was to come. Would I be ready?
Panasikiza watu hizo ni kelele za chura kona form. Nenda kona form. Panasikiza watu hizo ni kelele za